Hello everyone. Let's create the light and dark mode toggle using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Most of the websites these days are making use of light and dark mode toggle button, right? If we toggle, initially it will be the normal color, and basically when we toggle it will turn into dark mode, right? That will be making that will be creating. We'll just be making use of HTML, CSS and JavaScript for this. Initially I have already created the project folder, that is like I'll be creating the HTML, that is index.html, and inside this I'll also create I'll also create the CSS file, that is style.css. Inside HTML I'll just make use of the basic HTML template, and I'll just change the name to light and dark toggle mode, right? Dark toggle. Yeah, I'll just link the CSS file, this one, and initially what we'll do is I'll just make use of the div tag, that is the parent div. This is the parent div, and also I'm just giving the name, class name as container, and also I'll make use of the h1 tag, and I'll just give the project name itself, that is light and dark toggle mode. So this is one thing, and after this I'll just make use of the label. I'll just give the class name as switch. What we'll be doing here is we are not making use of any CSS framework, so I'm not taking the toggle button directly from Bootstrap or any other CSS frameworks. So we'll just be making use of the checkbox, and we'll be designing in the way that we want. So I'll just be making use of input, then type I'll be giving it as checkbox, and ID I'll give it as mode toggle or toggle mode, you can give anything. Then I'll just be making use of span tag. I'll just give the class name as slider, also round. This is for the CSS sake, for the round thing inside the toggle button, right? For that one. So this is it for the HTML. So style.css, I'll not be writing the style CSS, I'll just copy paste the styles. I'll not be explaining the styles. You can just go through it, like you can just pause the video and take a look into it. So for the JavaScript, let's check it out. So there is an extension called live server, you can just install that one. Second, this is the one that I have installed. Whatever the changes that is made in the HTML, like it will directly shown in the browser. So what we can do is we can just right click and we can open with live server. Now it is working like this. Like when I initially, it will be in the light mode itself. When I click on this one, it has to turn to the dark mode. For that one, for that functionality, we will be making use of JavaScript. Also, one thing we can do, like while we are in the dark mode, the text color also should change to white, right? That also we can do. And I'll just carry on with the JavaScript. Like I'll be creating the JavaScript file. Just be placing the JavaScript file after the body using the script tag. What I'll be doing is, initially I'll create a variable called mode toggle. I'll just make use of id. This one basically will be making use of document.getElement by id. So after that I'll just make use of event listener. First we'll be adding the class by making use of document.body.classList.toggle. I'll be giving it as dark mode. So after this we can check if the dark mode is enabled. For that, what we'll write, I'll just comment it out and write it. For that, I'll just consider variable is dark mode. List, and we can make use of the contains dark mode. Yeah. Then we can update the background color accordingly. If it is in the dark mode, the color has to change to black, or if it is initially, it has to be white, and when we are in the dark mode, it has to change to black. For that one, I'll just comment out. Dark mode, then I can just make use of document dot body dot style. The background color has to be dark, right? I'm just giving hash 333. Else I'll just copy paste same thing. Initially it has to be white, right? That I am writing. This is it. Let's check now. So when we toggle, it is not getting toggled, right? It is not getting changed. 1 second. What is wrong? We'll just check what is wrong. Mode toggle event listener. So here I have made mistake. This is dark mode. So let's check once again. So yeah, now it is getting toggled. So when you click on this, it is getting, we are getting the dark mode, as well as when we click on it again, we are going back to the initial, right? And one thing we can observe over here, when we click on this, the whole screen is getting, I mean, it is changing into dark mode, but the text is still in black color itself. That we can change it to the text color. We can change it to white. That we can do here. 1 second. Here what we can do, we have considered dark mode over here, class list, so that we can write here the color of the h1 we have to change. That one we can write color. So let's check now. Yeah, it works perfectly. That's it. Thanks for watching.